I still hear your voice when the night gets cold. I keep driving alone down the same old road. Rain on the windshield, tears in my eyes. Street lights passing like broken goodbyes. I still see your face in the places we knew, but every memory hurts when it leads back to you. Engine is running, but I feel dead inside. No one beside me in the passenger side. Your hoodie still smells like the nights we had. Now every little thing just makes me sad. I try to move on, but I'm stuck in the past, holding on to moments that were never built to last. I lost you in the dark. Now I'm drifting with a broken heart. Bass in my chest, pain in my soul. Trying to feel something, but I'm losing control.
I lost you in the rain. Now every road just feels the same. Smoke in the air, tears in my eyes. I still miss you under midnight sky.
Your last words echo when the beat slows down. I hear them louder when there's no one around. I keep replaying what I should've said. Now I'm talking to ghosts inside my head. Cold hands gripping on the steering wheel, trying to outrun everything I feel. But every turn takes me back again to the love we lost and the way it ended.
If I could rewind, I'd hold you one more time. Tell you I'm sorry before we cross that line. But now it's too late and I'm lost in the sound. One heart missing, 6 feet underground.
I lost you